Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. So today it's time for some more mayhems. Got Pontiac's Saturn. We'll see if we can get some donuts. Do you think it's gonna be able to drift?
I better.
All right. Not bad. Oh, that was good. Pretty fucking loud, dude.
Jesus.
Screaming.
Not that easy, dude.
No, that's doing pretty good. A little smoky, eh?
Oh,
smoky,
shit.
smoky.
Smoky.
I hope it's not a differ. Alright, let's see if Pontiac can drift.
Alright. Yeah, let me park my car a little further. Oh boy. Holy smokes. We got some smoke here.